Hi guys, here's a tutorial to help you embed images and videos into your blog posts with the Empower Network platform and to make it look pretty on your post. So I'm just going to go into add new. I'm going to add a new post. I'm going to write tutorial images and videos. Okay, so we're going to add media. You can write whatever you want. I'm just going to go right into adding a media. So over here I have media. I have images already uploaded into my media library, but I'm just going to go ahead into upload files. If you have a folder already open, I'm just going to show you how easy it is. I'm just going to bring this here. Let's say I want to put this image, let's say. I just drag it in here, and it's as simple as that. You can also, to upload files, you can select files, you can go in there, select whichever you want, and it's the same thing. You just double click it, and that's all you need to do. So in media library, here you have I have the file that I just uploaded. It's right here. This is the title that the file was given. You can change that if you want. Alternate text is what you want, where you want to add your keyword for that particular post. So I wrote images and videos as my title, so I'll just use that as a keyword, and I'll just put the keyword where it goes in my SEO plugin. And over here, when you want to add a URL where you want the image to link to, let's say you have an image like this one that says get started now, you want to link it to a page where the person will be able to opt in. Well, you can do that right here. You put in the custom URL. I'm just going to go ahead. I have URLs that are already available. Let's say I choose this one. I just plug it in here, and voila, the link is done. So I just insert that into the post, and it's right here. Now it's relatively big. I'm going to give you a hint on how to do this. Actually, the images and videos, the SEO keyword, this is where I wanted to let you know to put it in. So this images and videos is the same keyword set that we put in the alt text in the image. So when I go here, when I click on the image, you can go into edit image to have more options. So I can make it smaller like that. I can center it, right, left, whatever I want. I'm just going to put it left to show you something. Alternative text is right here. That's your keyword. Link URL is the link that you're linking the image to. And I want you to go to advanced settings. Over here, I'm going to show you a little trick. If you want the image to take the entire width of your page, you're going to write 100%. If you don't want it to take the whole area, you just make it smaller. And actually, I did a percentage, 60%, to make it smaller there. And if you want to put it to the right or to the left, but you want text around it, you see here the way your text is relatively stuck to your image, and sometimes it doesn't look too great. What you have to do is put a border. I usually put 5, it's usually enough. And when you click tab, you will see border 5 pixels solid black. It did a black border. What you want to do is take the black and change it to white, which is going to make a white border around, which basically creates a space between your image and your text. That's all you need. You say update and we're done. It just put it to the left and you have the white border around. So when I decide to write anything around here, I'm just going to put this back at the beginning. There we go. So see, there's that border there. Okay, so images and videos, blah, 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 images and videos. We're going to make this an H2. Okay, and now I'm ready to plug in a video. So to plug in a video, I'm going to open a new tab just to show you, to show you how it's done. I'm just going to go to one of my videos. I just did a tutorial on sharing using the badass button. So I'm just going to go on that page, and you're going to go down here. Stop that. Share, embed, and you have your iframe code right here. So you just click on that, copy, close that, and we're going to go into text, go down to the end, and we are going to put in the iframe code that we just got out of YouTube. So here, what you want to do, this is by default, it's going to give you a width and height. But what I always do, the width right here, I put 100%, and that will allow the image of the video to take up the whole space, not beyond and not smaller. It's really going to take up the whole space, and it's going to be very pretty. Actually, the same thing applies for your image. Sometimes you guys have images that are really, really big. You want to make it small, so you can make it 100% to make it squeeze into the width of your page. Or make it even smaller to the left or to the right, depending on what it is that you want. So there's the video right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and preview this to show you what it looks like. So this is my page. You see the images right there, and the text went right alongside. And I don't know why the video didn't show up. Let's go back and see that. Maybe because I haven't published it. Is it still there? Yes, it's still there. I'm just going to do this. And see the SEO score plugin that you have. Obviously, I don't have enough words, but I have the images have alt tags set to your keyword, which is what we did with the images. And we used the images and videos keyword into an H2 tag, and we also use the keyword in our title, which gives the H1 tag. So I'm just going to publish this so that we can see the video. When I publish it, I view post, and here we go. So the image went to one side, the text is on the right of it, and you have images and videos, the header, you have the video that took up the 100% of the width of your page, and that's it. And when you click on the, I think it disappeared here for some reason. Let's go back and check that. Your links may disappear once in a while, so we're just going to go back and check for the link. If I go here, edit images, see the link disappeared. So all I have to do is, oops, I have to get my link back. And put it back here. Update, update. And now when we go back to view the page, view the post, we will see the same thing as we saw before. There we go, everything is there. And when we go on the image, we click on it and it gives our opt-in page. As simple as that. So that's how you do it, guys. As simple as that. So you can put in your images and videos in all of your posts right now. See you later. Bye, guys.